Is your C drive suddenly full and turning red like this? You'll likely start to notice slow performance lag when opening apps or games and even delays with simple web browsing. Worse yet, your PC may crash unexpectedly and you could lose all your files in one go. But in this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to free up more than 20 gigabytes of space from your Windows C drive, no formatting, and no third-party software needed. Before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Let's get started. As you can see here, my C drive has less than 5 gigabytes of free space. I don't have many programs installed, yet my system is extremely slow. Let's go step by step to free up space. Step 1. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows plus R, type temp, and hit enter. Now select all files by pressing Ctrl plus A, then press Shift plus Delete, all, to permanently delete them. If any files don't delete, skip them and continue. Step 2. Again, open the Run window, type %10%, and hit enter. These are temporary files that build up over time and take unnecessary space. Select all using Ctrl plus A and delete them with Shift plus Delete. Step 3. Type period. Prefetch in the Run window. All these files can also be deleted safely. They are cache files and can slow down your system. Select them all and delete them. Let's see how much space we saved so far. Step 4. Final and most important, go to this PC and right-click on the C drive. Click on Properties, then click Disk Cleanup. It will scan for unnecessary system files. Wait for the scan to finish. Now select all items listed under Files to delete. Click OK, then delete files. This will clean up hidden and unused files from your drive. Once it finishes, refresh your desktop, then check your C drive again. As you can see, I went from just 5 gigabytes of free space to over 58 gigabytes in just a few simple steps. Make sure to repeat these steps from time to time to keep your system clean. And one final step, don't forget to empty your recycle bin. If you have files in there, delete them permanently using Ctrl plus A and Shift plus Delete. And that's it. This is how you free up space on your C drive without using any software and in a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, please pause for a moment, leave a like, and double check that you're subscribed with the bell turned on. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll reply as soon as I can. And remember, all the commands we used are listed in the description.